Reverberant rooms tend to have a lot of acoustically reflective surfaces. So for Westgate Primary School, it was clear that there would be a reverberation problem as soon as we saw photographs. There are a lot of acoustically reflective surfaces, lots of glass, very hard, nicely polished floor, very easy to sweep, but not so great for acoustics, resulting in a particularly bad reverberation time of 4.5 seconds. When a customer approaches us with a reverberant room, we need measurements, kinds of surface finish within the room, and that will allow us to use our acoustic modelling software to generate a picture of the room. We can then take our absorption coefficients for our Sonata acoustic panels, factor those in, and then generate the meterage of acoustic absorption that's required to solve that reverberation problem. In the case of Westgate Primary School, we specified our Class A rated Sonata Oreo panels. They have some impact resistance to them. They have memory. The foam core will bounce back if struck, perfect for use in sports halls. So the SRS installation team will turn up on site with everything they need to complete the work, and generally most projects are completed within 24 to 48 hours. Introducing Sonata acoustic panels increases the amount of acoustic absorption and therefore reduces the reverberation. So in the case of Westgate Primary School, we installed 90 square metres of Class A Sonata Oreo acoustic panels, and that reduced the reverberation level from 4.5 seconds to 1.5 seconds. If you have a noisy reverberant space, please visit our website where you can easily contact us with our online 3-step estimator. Alternatively, you can give us a call or send us an email with your details.